Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 90 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's find About Phone. Now we have to scroll down and tap on Backup and Restore. And let's scroll down. Here we've got whole Google Backup section, and as you can see in my case the Backup My Data option is off. If you will have it turned off, just like that, you won't be able to tap on backup account. So all you have to do is to just tap on the switcher here, and now we can tap on backup account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. I've got it saved, so just tap on next after entering, and right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so if you want to, just tap on it and you will be able to check all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. All the things will be listed right here. So as you can see, the backup includes apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. So let's tap on OK. And as you can see, we just successfully added our backup account to this device, and from now on all the content will be stored on the Google Drive. What's more, here we've got automatic restore option, so you can turn it on or off just by tapping on the switcher. So it means that when you will reinstall an app, then your device will restore backed up settings and data. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the Google Backup in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.